Alright, so this is where we were fishing, next to a dam on the Mississippi. So in the top right corner is a parking lot and a boat ramp, and that's all underwater. We were fishing the Mississippi while it was flooded. And the bite was so bad, they did not want to bite one bit. They were not hungry. And my opinion was, well, it's so flooded, they have all the food they can ask for. So we tried our best to catch what we could. It was a very, very long, rough day. They're definitely spawning. And we had a period where we didn't catch any fish. We caught one in the morning at like 8 o'clock till about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, where we caught a whole bunch of them. That's how bad the fishing was all day long. It was so slow. There was all kinds of trees and stuff we were getting hanged up on as well. That sucked. It was a very, very rough day. And we were getting bites all day long, but it was just nibbles. And another thing, the weather. Last week it was winter. Winter came back hard. And now it's back up into today when we went for the perch, it's back up in the 60s. And yeah. Caught my first one on the Mississippi. It's a male. Let's throw this one back, too small to keep. So I finally got one, and it's now 2 o'clock. The last fish I caught was, 8 o'clock? Something around there in the morning. It's very, very slow, but they are spawning. Got another one. This one has eggs, so this one's getting a free go here. Finally caught one after, an hour. This one swallowed it, so this one's coming home. Nice one right here. Alright, so this is what I was using today to catch the perch. Pretty simple stuff. Just a couple sinkers, decent sized ones, and really small little hook.
with a, that's about it, baited with a worm. That was our setup for today. And the line I was using is Northland 6-pound test fishing line for panfish.